Good evening, everybody. As you can see, it's 10:22. I've got my dehydrator set to 125 in my oven, but it's not that temperature, I assure you. I'm going to open it up and let you see what's in here. Look what I've got. That is tomatoes dehydrating. Raw tomatoes. They've been in there pretty much all day. See, they're not too hot. I can touch them just fine, touch the pan. But they probably going to take a couple of days, I guess, to dehydrate. But those are fresh tomatoes from my garden to make pasta sauce for my raw spaghettis and lasagnas this winter. Very excited about that. I'm also going to show y'all a little of, there's some watermelon seeds I'm going to put up for the garden next year. A watermelon to juice, and some gala apples, a cantaloupe, and a pineapple. And then today I bought some spinach. So I've got 2 bags of spinach and some grapes. Got some grapes, some spinach, and some bell pepper from my garden. Some eggplant, which I'll be putting up in the freezer. Never actually tried to juice it. I don't think there's enough liquid in it. But I just wanted to report in and let y'all know how my day was. My day went real well today. Again, it's number 25 and I'm getting ready to go to bed. I just wanted to make sure I put something up before I went to bed. I didn't want to wait until tomorrow to do it. But everything went great today. I didn't take my vitamin supplements today, but I still feel fine. But I'm going to make sure I do that tomorrow because I have a tendency to forget to do that when I start feeling better. But today I've not really had anything since 11:30. I got home too late, and since I don't eat after 6, I just sort of turned it into a short fast here, and I guess I'll get up and drink something in the morning. But I've had a little nut milk this morning, and then this afternoon I had what was left of my honeydew melon and peach juice. And I've had lots of water, and I've just been out all day shopping, so I didn't get to exercise like I wanted to, but I did put up several things in my deep freeze today. But just wanted to share my tomatoes with you. I'm very excited about them. They smell good, and I'm looking forward to putting them up in the freezer to use this winter. Y'all have a good night, and I will check in with you tomorrow. It is, like I said, day 25, or the 5th day of the 3rd set of 10. Things are moving along fast. This 10 days is going to be over before I know it, and be on to my last 10 days. And it's all good. But anyway, y'all have a good evening and a good weekend, and just be blessed. And have a good one. Bye.